Aww. 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 Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! Huh? Yahoo! Wow! Aww. Huh? Yahoo!
All right, let's do this. Vroom! Engine's on. Steering feels good.
Wow!
Okay, let's test the bucket up and down. First, down we go. Now, lift it high. Great, let's try that again.
Wow!
Okay, starting the engine now. Driving carefully near the cows. Whoa, easy there, stopping now. Whew, all safe and sound. Time to load another crate. All right, let's get this bucket under there. Load it up. Perfect. Another one done.
Wow!
Time to water the tomatoes. Whoosh. There you go. All right, time to check this fence. Looks sturdy. Good job. Next section.
Wow!
All clear here. Parking the JCB near the muddy area.
Hey!
Ready to help.
Hey, why the long face?
I'm feeling a bit sad.
Don't worry, I'm here for you.
Thank you, NaNa.
Huh?
Anytime, friend.
Oh no!
Bonk.
Oh shit! Oh shit!
Hey there, big friend. Let me see if you're hurt. No cuts or bruises. That's good. You're all good to go now.
Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit!
What a beautiful day for a walk.
Yes, the sun is shining bright.
Let's go to the barn.
Oh no!
Good idea. I'm a bit tired.
We're almost there.
Hey, cow, I brought you some clean water to drink.
Wow!
You're welcome. Drink up. Yeah. Yay. See you later.
Hey!
Yay, my friend. You're safe now.
Thank you, NaNa.
Let's play. Wow!
Best friends forever.
Here you go. More yummy tomatoes. You like them, don't you?
Bonk.
Yeah! Best friends!
What?